Hey guys, welcome back. The Nick Phantom here, and today, well, I'm not doing any gaming or tutorials or anything like that, but instead, I'm actually rebuilding my computer because Black Friday I ordered a lot of new parts. I spent probably too much money, but it's okay. Gotta get those deals, right? Anyway, so I got a new case, a new power supply, which I'm going from a power supply I don't even know the brand of to a really good one, so that's good. Also got a new CPU cooler, new fans, and the biggest thing here is really the RAM, because I'm going from 16 gigabytes of 2400 megahertz to 32 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz. So anyway, basically I'm just going to show you guys me rebuilding my computer, transplanting everything over, and I'm also going to show you guys some numbers of how the 1700X performs with 2400 megahertz RAM versus 3200 megahertz RAM. So yeah, let's go and get into this. So it's 7:24 at night now, and I'm still not done with my computer because of the cable management. There's so much. But I am going to Domino's to go and get some food, so yeah. Alright guys, so now it's 10:29. I'm finally done with my computer. It took a while. I was working on this all day, but I love how it turned out. And overall, I absolutely love how everything looks together. I'm so glad I forked out the cash for the case, the power supply, the RGB fans, the RGB cooler, and everything. The only real upgrade I made was going from 16 gigabytes of G-Skill Flare X RAM, which was really good. And the reason why I got this originally was it's 2400 megahertz, was advertised as compatible with Ryzen, and the reason why I got this is because this was back in the early days of Ryzen, and I built this PC originally. So RAM compatibility was really bad back then, so I got something I knew would work. Before, I went and I ran a few benchmarks, not many, but just a few, so that I could go and get an idea of the performance difference between this kit and the new kit. You know, 2400 megahertz versus 3200. I'm sure you're kind of curious too. But with this kit of RAM in Cinebench, I got a multi-thread score of 1313 points, which is pretty good. But with the new kit of RAM, I got a multi-thread score of 1,508 points, which is really good. That is an increase of almost 200 points in Cinebench, which is pretty big. Now, my single core score didn't change much. It went from 140 with this RAM to 142, which is perfectly within margin of error. Also, the physics score for Fire Strike went from 17,833 to 17,997, which, granted, is not a huge difference, but it is definitely a noticeable difference. So, yeah. In conclusion, I'm glad I did this. It looks great. It's running a little bit faster, and I'm glad I did it. Granted, not everyone just has money to go and blow on Black Friday on their computer, but I did, so I got it. Anyway, so I have some B-roll waiting for you guys, so you know what? Let's go and get this over with and cue up that B-roll.